Hi guys! For today, we're going to review some chicken from Where Flavor Gets Its Wings! Wingstop! So, pakita po natin yung chicken today. Tadadadan, tadaan! Yes! So this is Louisiana Rub and the other one is Mango Habanero. Yes! Let's try! Nanginginig pa guys. Mahirap pala nito. Yan. Let's try first this one. This is my order. Louisiana Rub. Let's try. Wala mo ng sausawan. Sarap, maalat. It's good. Hindi masyadong maanghang. Ang sarap pala maging vlogger.